care. Another girl didn't care. It was my heart to break, but she was a feeling, something I never thought I had in me. She surely took good for me. I keep telling myself, don't you dare choke down. She's seen all your worst behavior, but she still don't wanna change your soul. So don't fuck this up now. Looking around, 'cause this is where your future lies.